Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new feature from the Fish It game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the new feature. Go to the setting first and then you will find home island right here. So with this feature, you'll be able to set your home island and it will make us easier in teleporting guys. We can teleport from one place to another place quickly and instantly. For example, now my home island is the Fisherman Island. So if I want to teleport to the Fisherman Island, I just need to respawn like this and it will bring me to the Fisherman Island instantly. And then I'm going to change my home island. I'm going to change it to the statue in the Lost Isle. Okay, so every time I respawn, I will immediately teleport to the Sisyphus statue. Okay, let's try it. I'm going to respawn. Okay, and I will teleport to the statue, Sisyphus statue. Okay, as you can see. And yeah, you just need to choose your home island, but you need to remember guys, it needs to be 100%. As you can see right here, it says you must complete the index for this area. I already completed the Sisyphus statue and the Fisherman Island as the default. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the new feature, the home island feature in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.